Aloha!
I'm Irina.
And I'm Devon.
We create informative travel videos to help you get the most out of your vacation. If you have watched our Hawaii Deals video, we recommended you to support local businesses. And Kona Coffee Purveyors is the coffee shop you must visit when you come to Waikiki. The coffee shop is located in the center of Waikiki at the International Marketplace, but on Kohio side. Right now we are on Kalakaua Avenue and we are going to walk through the mall to get to the other side.
Just be out with us.
We just got our favorite pastries here. This is Lilikoi Mango Queen Amman, just because this
Looks like a crown.
yeah, looks like a crown, but the inside though.
Oh.
And our second favorite is coconut pineapple croissant with cookie dough on top and almond shavings. It is incredible. I've never had a croissant better than that. Matter of fact, I wasn't even into croissants that much until I tried this one.
Yeah, it's a croissant on steroids. It's a whole other level. The prices here are a little bit on the expensive side, but you do get what you pay for.
For example, so are the pastries as well. For example, this is a large cappuccino with almond milk, and it's $6. Queen Amman is $6.50, and croissant is $5.50. And if you follow us on Instagram, you see we come here all the time and indulge ourselves in these pastries. And this pastry is actually made on premises, so you know they're really fresh.
Let's dig in. So look at this. Look at all the goodness in here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, do you hear that? Oh, so good. It's flaky.
So the inside we have lilikoi and mango paste with some chunks of mango, and it is super flaky. It's like a phyllo dough or croissant dough,
right?
And it's a little crunchy on the outside and really moist on the inside with all this fruit
goodness
paste. It's amazing. Now let's see what's inside this delicious croissant.
This croissant is so flaky, it just like wants to fall apart, and it's also kind of doughy because of the pineapple.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at all that. Oh, so good. So the Queen Amman was actually recommended to us by an Uber driver, believe it or not. As he was driving us home, he asked if we ever ate at this location, and we told him we come here all the time, and he asked if we ever had this particular pastry. We said no, we haven't, and we tried it, and it was, that's all she wrote. It was just so good. So love this. It is so light, it is so flaky, it melts in your mouth. It's bursting with flavors from the puree that's in the inside, the fruit puree.
And buttery and sugary.
Oh yes, very buttery, very sugary.
And very fruity on the inside as well.
Guys, if you're ever in Waikiki, you must stop at this place and have this. You will thank us later.
They also have other type of pastries. Vegan friendly, sugar free, flourless, So check it out. They have a lot of different options.
Oh, this coffee is just so good.
As I mentioned before, they use Kona coffee here. And if you don't know, Kona coffee is grown locally on the Big Island, and we actually have the entire vlog dedicated to Kona coffee when we did go to Big Island, and we're gonna leave the description. And they do coffee tours, so you can buy free coffee tours. And you can also buy some coffee here at the coffee shop to go to take it with you.
If you found this review useful, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified when our next review comes out.
And if you've been here before, let us know your experience in the comments below. And be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
So as usual,
Mahalo for watching, and just be out with us.